Why would a truck workshop need technical vehicle data? Have you ever had need for a single source for maintenance, repair and diagnostic information? HaynesPro WorkshopData offers one single access to 11 truck makes and 22 trailer makes. This allows you to offer top quality service without compromising OE warranty cover. It's very easy to use. Most data is no more than 2 clicks away, allowing you to work quickly and efficiently, saving you precious time and money. Furthermore, a single WorkshopData license can be used for up to 4 devices in your workshop at the same time. Vehicle identification is easy. You can search, for example, by VRM, VIN, engine code, or use the manual search tree. You can also select specific axle configurations. Once the truck has been selected, you can create either a maintenance schedule or access our repair data. Here you can find our technical drawings, including tightening torques and also repair manuals on tasks such as turbocharger removal installation, cylinder head removal installation, valve clearance check adjustment, and many more. WorkshopData not only offers technical data for trucks, but also for trailers. This includes adjustment data, repair manuals, for example the brakes, and even electronics data, including concise and extended wiring diagrams. Unique to WorkshopData is our guided diagnostics module called VESA, which stands for Vehicle Electronics Smart Assistant. VESA is a clever module which allows you to reduce your non-billable hours by offering smart solutions and workarounds for complicated tasks. VESA allows for up to 7 fault codes to be entered simultaneously, for which it presents a list of fault code descriptions together with a suggested list of components to test. VESA will take you through a step-by-step component diagnostic process. It tells you exactly what to do in order to find out which component or wiring might be damaged. You can also find specific component information such as locations and images for easy identification. In most situations, these concise diagrams make it much easier to diagnose a fault. However, an overview of the entire system is sometimes necessary. Some technicians, particularly electronics and diagnostic specialists, may need to see the wiring diagram as a complete system schematic. For this reason, we not only offer step-by-step guided diagnostics, but also extended wiring diagrams. Based on the fault codes, WorkshopData will also give you verified fixes and tips sourced from renowned help desk organizations and industry experts, technical service bulletins, and recall data linked to those fault codes. So, do you want to expand your technical expertise on 11 truck makes, including the Big 7? Save time and improve customer satisfaction? Don't hesitate and sign up today for a HaynesPro WorkshopData truck license.